Love Island star Marcel Somerville reveals contestants need to prove they're free of STIs by undergoing strict testing before entering the villa. Marcel Somerville shot to fame on ITV2's popular dating show, Love Island, in 2017. And ahead of the 2021 season, which is set to premiere on June 28, the 35-year-old revealed the precautions contestants have to abide by before heading into the villa. The muscular star told UK's The Mirror this week that the soon-to-be TV personalities have to prove that they are free of sexually transmitted diseases. Marcel also revealed that the contestants are given condoms by producers in case they choose to have sex. There'll always be members of the cast who are more outgoing than others, and there'll be people who don't mind doing it, he told The Mirror. It's definitely down to the cast members. If you do want to do it, then by all means do it. The show provides the necessary protection, so just be safe. The show does do strict testing beforehand just to make sure that everyone going on there is clean. They do quite a few tests to make sure you are clean and safe, he continued. Marcel found romance with Gabby Allen on the show, however they split in April 2018. He went on to reveal that he did not have sex in the villa, and believes producers have toned down that element as they want to attract a younger audience. While he may not have found long-lasting love on the show, Marcel is now happier than ever, having welcomed son Roman in February with fiancée Rebecca Vieira. Marcel has regularly praised his 25-year-old partner for how well she's taken to motherhood since they brought their son home. Speaking to his Instagram followers on the day they announced their son had arrived, Marcel said, "Rebecca is literally my idol. She has spent the last 2 days in labor and I don't know where she got the strength from as I'm running on fumes, but she did it, and I could not be prouder of my future wife. I adore you, mama." Sharing adorable snaps of their family a few days later, Marcel told his followers, "I can't help but be proud of my family, because to me they truly are perfect." He continued, "Rebecca is the wonder MILF. She's literally bossed pregnancy, bossed labor, and has literally become the most amazing mother. I'm so proud, and watching her do her thing has literally cemented everything I already knew when I put a ring on it. And what can I say about my perfect little man? Roman is literally the best thing I've ever done in my life, and I've done some epic things. But the love I feel for this boy and his mum is unreal. Dad gang, I now understand what all the hype was about. I'm about that Peter Griffin life. Number Family Guy. Number Family. Love Island UK is returning to screens on June 28 with Laura Whitmore as host. It has not aired since February 2020 after both the summer 2020 and winter 2021 editions were cancelled due to the coronavirus pandemic.